Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Gmail uses many icons that can feel confusing at first. Understanding these symbols will help you manage your inbox much faster. The star icon lets you mark a message as important. Use the clock icon to snooze an email until a later time. The box with a down arrow is the archive button. It hides emails from your main view without deleting them. The trash can icon deletes your messages forever. A closed envelope icon marks an email as unread. When you write a new email, you will see a paperclip. This icon allows you to attach files from your computer. The chain link icon helps you insert a website link. Look for the triangle icon to add files from Google Drive. The small picture icon lets you insert photos directly into the text. A lock icon represents confidential mode for private messages. On the right side of the screen, you will see smaller icons. The calendar icon opens your daily schedule quickly. The yellow light bulb is for Google Keep Notes. Use the blue checkmark icon to manage your daily tasks. The three horizontal lines at the top left hide or show the main menu. A magnifying glass helps you search for specific emails. The gear icon opens your settings for customization. A circle with your initial or photo shows your account details. These simple tools make your digital life much easier to organize. You can now navigate your Gmail account like a pro. Every icon has a specific purpose to save you time. Mastering these symbols is the best way to handle a busy inbox every single day.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.